Hello guys, it's me Ben. Welcome back to another video. Today I am just showing you a place back. I'm just showing you a place out back in my dad's house, which is a black ant colony. It is super big. Oh. If you guys can see it all. You can see the holes in the ground. Yeah. And I usually like to look under stumps for bugs. Wait, hold on. Wow. This place grew. Like, this is not what it was before. It was like, all it was a blank nothing. But that is just grown in like 2 days, since like yesterday. Last night. Wow. Okay guys, this video is getting a little bit long, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.